What does it take to rank on the first page of Google? This is the topic for this video. Welcome to Digital Toolcase, and I want to talk about SEO in this video because this is my opinion, this is just my opinion, but people really underestimate the importance of keyword research. I know it's not a sexy topic because on my YouTube channel my keyword research videos have really low views, and I don't understand why. Because, in my opinion, keyword research is 80% of SEO. I know it's a bold statement, but I just want to show you something because some weeks ago I made a quick SEO experiment. I found some keywords using different tools, and I will show you in a moment. I wrote two very quick articles on, I will say, competitive keywords, because it's in Italian and it's on Google Italy, but in English this will be best refreshing topper. This is my keyword in Italian. Well, as you can see, I'm in the first page of Google with this keyword, and this article was written on August 10, 2023. You can see my domain authority, it's 18. I'm above a very famous domain in Italy, it's a 45 domain authority. And if we take a look at the link analysis for this other site, they have, in this example, 6 inbound links and 5 linking domains. My site has nothing. 0 inbound links, 0 linking domains. And I want to show you even my article length, because you can think this is a really long article, is well made. You can see here it's saying 2,498 words. This is not the truth, because this is my article. You can read it here in Frase. It's less than 1,000 words, and it's really not even optimized. Yes, I'm above the average, but I still have to do my optimization with Frase and with NLP and LSI words. So where is this, let's say, secret to be on the first page for a quite competitive keyword? It's keyword research. It's finding the best keyword you can. It's finding the easiest to rank keyword. Because yes, it's a quite competitive keyword, but there was a space in this SERP, and it's not the only one. On the same day, I wrote another article, more or less on the same topic. It's slightly different, and again, in this case, I'm in the second page of Google, as you can see here. This is my article, even this one written on 10 of August 2023. And again, it's an 1100 words article, even if you can see here 3000. But this is because when you open these articles, you can see I also have other words. I have a table of content, I have Amazon links, so all these things are counted as words here in these 3000 words, but the real article is way shorter. So it's not the length of your article that makes a big difference. It's not only your backlinks that makes a difference, but it's understanding the SERP, understanding the keyword, satisfying the search intent of your reader, and you have good chances to reach the first or the second page. In this case, where I am in the first page, as you can see, I have some quick data here, just 3 clicks, okay? This is not important because this was more an experiment than a real article, but now that this article is in the first page, I start to have some good impressions. As you can see, this is the impression increase in percentage, and as you can see, I gained many positions. So how you can find good keywords like this, even in the top X for Y style content? And I want to show you that these articles are really not Amazon Roundup articles. I don't like those kind of articles because they get pretty old very quickly. You need to update them. So I'm just using a plugin here for WordPress. This chart, this top 10 chart is updated automatically. And then I just have some other sections, really quick sections in this article. These articles are written with a combination of ChatGPT, the free version, and Perplexity.ai. In one of these two articles, I also used Agility Writer, but it's not the tool you use to write these articles. Obviously, what you need to understand is the search intent and write the correct article for this specific query. Then you can optimize it, and I still have to optimize these articles using Frase. I will do it in the next hours or days, so I can even make it better by inserting some NLP and LSI words. Frase is the tool I use for SEO content optimization. But how you can find these keywords? In this case, I used more than one tool, and for example, I started my search with LowFruits. I made many videos about LowFruits. This is a very good tool. You can start to use it for free because you have some free credits, and if you just do a simple keyword research like this, you don't even have to use your credits. So check the link in the description because this is a good keyword research tool. With LowFruits, you can find weak spots. So if I show you another example, let's say this one, you can find the keywords with weak spots where you have one or more opportunity to rank in the first page. Again, you can watch my oldest videos about LowFruits, and I highly suggest you this tool. But it's not the only one. I also often use SEO ranking. This is a complete SEO tool. It's a professional tool. It's very similar to Ahrefs, not so powerful, but it's enough. It's absolutely enough if you are just starting out or if you want to find a very good keyword, analyze your competitors, track your ranking keywords, and so on. In this case, you have similar keywords, related keywords, low search volume keywords. You can find many ideas for your keywords, and you can have your keyword difficulty. So if you go for the green ones, like in these examples, as you can see, you find many interesting keywords with the search volume. You can check your SERP futures and so on. What I did in this case, it was to create a list of keywords, and then I imported all these keywords into WriterZen. You can even do your keyword research here. Again, I made many videos about WriterZen and keyword research here. I really like WriterZen because I can find the all in title 0 keywords. These are really easy to rank keywords. Now with the new keyword planner, you can also create your silos, your topic clusters, and this is very good. In fact, these two different articles are related between them, so I found them using all these tools and using WriterZen. You can find all the links here in the description, both for trying these tools and for watching my videos and my reviews. And as you can see, this is the keyword I used. It's a 0 all-in title keyword. It has a good search volume. You can also search for your SERP here and other details. I don't want to show you every detail in this video. It's again just to show you how keyword research is important because basically I'm in the first page here just thanks to this keyword, and here I'm in the second page thanks to this keyword I found using these tools. Now I'm in the first and the second page. Okay, I can make them even better by optimizing these articles using Frase, or if you have another tool, you can use another tool. I can search for other keywords to include in this article with the Google Search Console. I can make these articles a little bit longer, but it's not the length of the article that is important, as you can see. And the last thing I want to say is why I made such an SEO experiment, because while I was doing my keyword research, I found an article in the first page of Google, an article on a similar topic, where it just had the Amazon top 10 and nothing else. So I say to myself, if such an article is on the first page, an automatically written article with an Amazon plugin is in the first page, what if I can do the same thing? With a good keyword, obviously. So I found these two keywords and, well, this is the result. So, keyword research. This is, in my opinion, 80% of SEO. Obviously, you need to understand the search intent, you need to find the good SERPs, and you need to make your article interesting and on point. It's important that your article is on point. This is my opinion. If you have a different one, you can write it in the comments, and again, if you want, you can find the links to all these tools I usually use to write my content and do my keyword research, and you can find my video reviews and the other videos. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video until now, and I'll see you soon in the next one.